Hello and welcome. My name is Natalia. I am a registered dietitian, also board certified functional and integrative nutrition practitioner. So, what does that mean? That aside from being a dietitian, which requires you to go to school and then pass a super hard exam to get your license and then be able to practice on your state, I've really gotten into digging deeper in what is it about the human body that sometimes gets out of balance. So that led me to study integrative and functional medicine, and I applied in the field of nutrition. So that was another 2 years of school, with again another super tough exam. But pretty much I learned about how your body has these different systems that are actually all connected. So a system that tends to be usually out of balance for most folks is the detoxification biotransformation and the gastrointestinal system. So the detoxification biotransformation means, okay, if I eat this food, how am I going to make the best out of the calories in this food, the protein in this food, and how can my body utilize it to make bone, right? To make brain cells, to make muscle cells for me to burn for fuel. So what I know is that a lot of folks sometimes will eat something and it'll say 100 to 100 calories, but it'll be super processed. So, like a Quest protein bar. And it could be any bar, but it will have a lot of ingredients, and you probably won't know what many of these are. So, that is like me giving you a present, and that present being wrapped in 50 boxes with 200 sheets of wrapping paper. How easy do you think it's going to be for your body to access the present, the calories, and use them? And also think what is going to happen with all those wrappers. So the biotransformation and the detoxification of all that in your body is going to be super tough. So again, learning about these systems and how they're connected. So for example, detoxification happens in the liver, and the liver actually feeds out of the gastrointestinal tract. So if the gastrointestinal tract is impaired, and a lot of people have a condition that is called dysbiosis, and that is an imbalance of the bacteria that live in our gut. And these bacteria do lots of things for us, and the whole goal is for them to live in harmony. But what happens a lot because of stress, too much drinking, too much sitting, eating the same 3 to 5 foods, maybe not the best kinds of foods, over and over throughout many years, that creates an imbalance in our species of bacteria. So unhealthy overgrowths tend to be a big uh, player in people's health, and people get constipated, they get gassy, or they just can't lose weight and they're achy, they have a lot of inflammation. So what I do is try to figure out, based on different methods, testing is one of them, but also symptoms, what system in your body, and we just talked about two, the detoxification biotransformation and the gastrointestinal system. It could be many others. It could be the endocrine, the hormonal, it could be the cardiovascular. But anyway, what I do and how I can help you is to really nip it in the bud what kind of the system is that is out of balance, and what we can do with food, nutraceuticals, and also targeted strategies for those systems to be revamped and working really well. So if you have questions, you know how to get in touch with me. I look forward to working with you.